So today I want to show you a new feature for M1 Finance and being able to do trades. So recently M1 Finance did an update where you can actually have a trade window preference. Now this is going to be for M1 Plus members, as you can see here, which is their paid service, and this will give you additional benefits. So if you don't have M1 Plus, this won't apply for you, but at least if you know about it in the future, if you sign up, you get some better ideas. So with M1 Finance, you have typically two trade windows. You have the morning and you have the afternoon. Now, what this preference does is actually say that you can choose to have the next available trade window. So whether it is the morning or in the afternoon, if you did a deposit midday. But you can also choose to have it as mornings only, where it's only going to deposit in the mornings for you and do that buy. Or you can prefer to do the afternoons. Maybe for whatever reason you have that certain type of preference that it only goes in at a certain time. Maybe you prefer when it's closer to market close versus market opens. And this will be available for you with one of the latest updates. If you don't have it right away, definitely just pay attention to updates on your app. Now, I actually want you to keep learning and growing when it comes to using M1 Finance. So I want you to check out my next video right over here on screen. My name is Dennis. I want to help you in that next video.